Hi, I'm Christopher Showerman. In the next 60 seconds, let's reframe picnic lunches as park bench crunches on the path of least resistance.
Find a heavy picnic table in your local park. Sit facing the picnic table with your butt extended beyond the bench. Straighten your legs so your toes press up against the bottom of the table. Keeping your core tight to support your low back. Lean your torso back with a controlled decline, causing your abs to stretch and tense at the same time. Then curl your ribcage up to the table while pulling your belly button in towards your spine. Limit how far you lean back until you're strong enough to come back from a range of motion of 180 degrees or greater while keeping a solid core. If you have a training partner, face each other and slap hands at the top of each rep to ensure you're both getting the full ab contraction. And if that's easy, you probably haven't done enough of them yet. Check your equipment before every workout, have a training partner spot you, and always leave the gym nicer than you found it.
These rock hard slaps can help build rock hard abs with park bench crunches on the path of least resistance.